Hello Divyansh, good morning.
Hello everybody, my name is Divyansh. I study in class 7th from GMS Jikhwali. Today I am here to speak about my model, active volcano. A volcano is a rupture in the crust of a planetary mass object such as Earth. The volcano is of three types: active volcano, dormant volcano and extinct volcano. But no, this is an active volcano, not a dormant and extinct volcano. Now I will show you this is work. Look my volcano, this is active. Thank you and have a great day.
Really Divyansh, your volcano is really active. Fabulous. Wonderful job.
Thank you.